Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Another day, another vlog. Today I'm going to discuss that how we can allow activities to track events, calls or emails within the Salesforce. But before that, if you wanted to follow more Salesforce video, you can just subscribe our channel CRS Info Solutions. So we will go to the our Salesforce org and I'll go to the setup. So I'll just quickly go to the settings. But before enabling anything, we need to understand that what are activities. So I'll quickly go to our student object, which we have made in our previous video, and I'll click on a record, which is George. And here you can see the activity related list is available, which is showing some options like calendar, new event, new task, log a call, or email. Like you can just create any event from here, or you can create a task, or you can log a call. You can just log like into the emails. For example, if I click on the new event, then you can create any event from the activity custom settings. You can add subject, start, end date, all day event, etc., and then you can save it. Or if you wanted to like create any task, you can just click on the task icon and then you can create any task. If you wanted to log a call, for example, if you wanted to save some call records, you can just click on the call log from the activity area. And then if you wanted to add some email, or you can just send the email directly from the activity panel. You can just directly send emails from this option under the activity section. So if I quickly give you a short demo that how we can create that, if I just quickly click on the new task button, and then I'll just write anything as a subject, for example, test, and then I will click on save. Then you can see that a new task has been created, and you can see the details over here that you have an upcoming task. There is no due date because I haven't added any due date, but you can add your details so that you can see that what activities are coming this week for this record. And then it is showing that no past activity, past meetings and task marked as done show up here. For example, if there will be any past activities, those activities will be showing over here, and it will help you to understand that what's coming up or what is overdue or what has been passed already. Similarly, you can create events. Similarly, you can log a call. Similarly, you can send any email directly from this activity section. Now, if we move to our second custom object, which is books, and if we open any record, then you can see activity bar is also activated over here. Now, if I quickly go to the book histories and then open up any record, then you can see that activity related list is not available over here. So now we need to learn that how we can enable this activity related list for the particular object in the Salesforce that is available for the books and the student object, similar like this. So I quickly go to the settings again, and then we need to click on the object manager. So first, if I'll go to the student object where the activity related list was open, then in the details you can see track activities was enabled in the student object. Now moving back to our book histories object where we need to track our activities. So if I open the book histories object and see the details, then you can see that track activities options are not enabled over here. So now I am clicking on edit, scrolling down, and in the optional features, you can see an option which is allow activities. I will just click on it and enable it. It's like asking that, are you sure that you wanted to enable the activities? I'll say okay and then click. Now you can see that these activities are enabled. I will click on the save button. So if I'll go back on the book histories object and I will do the refresh, and then you can see that activity panel has been updated on the book history object over here. So you can see this option and you can just update it or modify it according to your needs. Whatever the operation you wanted to do, you can just do it from this activity panel that we have enabled. So I hope that now you can understand that how we can enable activities option to track events, tasks, calls, and emails within the Salesforce. If you like our video, don't forget to subscribe our channel. I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye. Take care.